In this episode, we'll talk about the Ripple stablecoin, Ripple's recent announcement regarding the stablecoin. We'll talk about the BlackRock ETF and XRP. After reviewing everything, we will inform you of our expectations. So relax and take a seat back. Let's begin with a Bitcoin transaction worth $102,574. One explanation states that it has risen by 1.39% over the past day. I am coming in with a gain of 0.62% at $3,889. The current prices of USDC, USDT, and XRP are all 99 cents. It maintains its position at a mean lean of 2,040 cents. The total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies is currently up 0.67% at $3,666 million. The next stop will be $4 trillion. After 5 or 7, we'll see how high we can go. This happened on Saturday, December 14th, yesterday, and Chad covered it on CNBC, which is running today. It asserts that while XRP has benefited the most from the Trump trade, investors have differing opinions on how much further it may rise. When Trump stepped in and hired the new crypto czar, it was said, I think, that he was spending absurd sums of money to get crypto policies. Although he hasn't begun working yet, I believe the individual is already doing his duties in the field of cryptocurrency laws. He's already working hard, he's not messing around. We are aware that a crypto policy will shortly be implemented in the United States. We are aware that having a policy will pave the way for legislation, which will eventually result in the addition of more ETFs. The number of American banks will increase. You even researched cryptocurrencies last year. Neither BlackRock nor any of these larger institutional players has mentioned cryptocurrency. They cautioned against Bitcoin investing due to its high level of risk. We are now starting to notice 5 to 10%. They are starting to raise awareness that the general public should have money set aside for Bitcoin. So that's what they do. The oceans are secure, they're informing everyone. They say, hey, we tested it, this is what we think, and we believe in it. The assets are in the list. That you should start moving your money out of the stock market instead than putting it completely in, and that this should be an allocation approach. We're going to make XRP the most valuable digital asset in existence now that we're interested in cryptocurrencies. Rules are always crucial. The RLUSD is the starting point for the US government's planned infusion of US dollars into the cryptocurrency market. This is a green display of the net inflow that will come. You can see the price of XRP. It currently sits at 240. It's optimistic. We have a long way to go here. Are you ready for the XRP rise? Brett asks everyone. Indeed, precisely. Consider cannot be stopped. There are no ifs, ands, or buts. XRP is ready for yet another huge surge. Another huge boom is about to occur in the cryptocurrency industry. It's not yet late. This bull run and bull cycle are still in its very early phases. Well done if you're new to cryptocurrencies. We've all been waiting for 2025. We'll be here in just 2 weeks. I'm a little jealous because I've been here since 2017 and have been anticipating this day since 2025. It's definitely amazing, isn't it? Especially with the new year only 2 weeks away. For instance, how much institutional capital there is, how many ETFs are finally getting crypto policy in the US, and what we will witness and experience. 1 month from now, on January 20th, a president who prioritizes cryptocurrency will take office. This is what we need, people. This is what we always envisioned when we first started investing in cryptocurrencies. We always say, look, we know the risk that this crypto thing can go to zero, it would never take off. It could never do anything. Even though we might lose everything we invested, we convinced ourselves that if we were right and institutions accepted cryptocurrency, which we were effectively in before institutions, we would make a ton of money. There is currently no chance that cryptocurrencies will fall to zero. There is only a chance that we will get something. With more institutional money, rules, acceptability, and ETFs in the future, we think cryptocurrencies will take another big leap, according to Dan Morehead. Listen carefully. Indeed, the most exciting aspect of cryptocurrencies is that we have been doing this for 11 years, and this year the value of Bitcoin almost doubled. The average has doubled, and everyone is talking about how crazy it is. I take it that it has done that for 11 years in a row? Because we think the markets will rise by another substantial amount, possibly by an order of magnitude, we are frequently long. It isn't very significant that the value of cryptocurrencies has doubled. As a result, we are often lengthy. We only ever glance at other tokens that grab our interest. These are some of our assets, in addition to a substantial portion of Solana and the Tone Telegram coin. Indeed, Pantera Capital believes that there will be another big cryptocurrency wave, which is an exciting aspect of the market. They have Solana on, he says. However, what if I had consistently told you on this channel to invest in the items that the institutions are buying and accumulating, and you wanted to do so before they finished? That's important here. Would you like to beat them? The public now has access to the official RLUSD wallet list. This is directly from the website of Ripple. While it's interesting that BitGo and Ripple Coinbase's custody of my Firebox and Ethereum Enterprise wallet is listing RLUSD on the Ethereum chain, Gem Trust Ledger and Trezor are both using Ethereum or XRP. RLUSD is going to be widely accepted. It's quite simple. When you wish to move money between exchanges and you look at the charges and petrol expenses for moving USDT, we've talked about the comparisons that take place. You can see how backed up Ethereum is, how long it will take to move, how much it will cost, and whether you can trade to RLUSD based on all of the information on these exchanges. You can move your money through RL SureList in a matter of seconds and at a much lower cost with BlackRock XRP ETFs. This is what's happening. So let's talk about it. We seem to have a fake Delaware file pertaining to a BlackRock ETF. Okay, your needs will be taken into account when we review Delaware and the filings. We have received a completed uniform application, which is required in order to register securities. You have to show identity. You are required to sign a document. Because I need to verify that the name on your ID matches the one you signed, you must present identification when signing a document. Proof that you paid the price is required. Thus, it's clear that the person who filed this ETF for BlackRock in Delaware is a scammer. Nothing has came of this. It appears that they just ignored it. They're crying. They're trying to say they don't know who did it because you have to sign documents, which is blatantly false. Presenting identification is required, and it must be done in person. BlackRock denied what I've been saying, and I've been considering it for some time. Is BlackRock rejecting it for any one reason? Why is that explanation so simple? BlackRock will purchase an XRP ETF since their decision was taken too soon, and they were a little too early. Brad has talked to us about it before leaving for home. He's saying, look, so we can probably avoid discussing it. I am unable to comment on this, but we are aware of what BlackRock said. Look, Brad may have stated bluntly that BlackRock isn't producing an XRP ETF. Instead of brushing it off or saying he doesn't know you know, the answer is no. Why court people based solely on appearances as the CEO of the company? No, this is not true. Even if anything is false, the fact that Brad has said in public, look, this is a complete thud indicates that it is not. This is not accurate. It will not, regrettably, occur. But do you really think BlackRock will just stop making Bitcoin or Ethereum ETFs, considering what they do and their current position in the ETF market? Since all these other companies are investing in XRP ETF, do you really think they will lose out on income? The largest company in their most respected industry is the most reputable name, if you think about it, and include BlackRock in the mix of all these companies. And when I choose to purchase one of the ETFs, I assume that individuals are looking for ways to invest in cryptocurrencies. Well, I don't really know who. But Bitwise, 21 shares or Canary comes to mind. But then there's BlackRock. I know someone named BlackRock. What will happen to the money immediately? The ETF that BlackRock created and developed will be the investment vehicle. BlackRock's objective is to make money. They are not here to lose money if they can make money with an XRP ETF. Given the substantial profit potential, they will utilize an XRP ETF. When Trump and the new cryptocurrency XRP and Solana are legalized first in 2025,